Hey guys, this is Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Guys, this is another crypto video about a new concept in the Tron DeFi world. It is called Tronline. Actually, I made some few videos like 2 weeks ago about this program, and I had to review it because when it was brought to me, I looked at its compensation plan and I liked it, so that's why I had to go in. And I would just like to thank my friend Kendricks who brought it to me. Actually, is my sponsor and he helped me understand it very well. So, guys, these guys they had their DOS attack uh, like 3 days after they had launched. Everything was running smoothly, so they had to take the website down and do some server migration. And ever since the site came up, new members started signing in, but it was slow as they say that the website carries a lot of data, so they had to first finish it properly. So I paused marketing it as I waited for everything to be fine, because when I tried to put in people, they could face problems in registering. So the website was so slow indeed. So I just had to leave it for a while. And yesterday night, I just saw another good thing that these guys came up with. They came up with auto withdrawals, as you can see up here. Have started, and the minimum is 200 TRX. Once you get the withdraw, the next withdrawal will happen in 2 to 4 hours. So now, members of Tronline, you don't need to log in to make a withdrawal. The withdrawal will just be sent automatically to your wallet, and that was a good feature. And if you look at their Telegram here, so they put it here. The total withdrawals have started. Minimum withdrawal will be 200 TRX. Once you get a withdrawal, the next withdrawal will happen in 2 to 4 hours time. So these guys now they are back, and I do believe the thing is going to run smoothly. So even here they say that the site is up and running and you can resume new signups. And they say we kindly request everyone not to enter the site very frequently, or that you can see, and you're going to read about it. So I'm going to leave the link, the Telegram link, in the description. You can check it out for yourself and see. So if I'm to access the site, let me log in my account here. So the site is back up and it is fast, and over 6,000 people have already joined, and this is my back office. So the minimum to get started here is just 500 TRX, and the packages that you can join with, you can begin with 500 TRX, with then 1000 TRX, and so on until the biggest that you can start with is 5000 TRX. So this is my back office, and so far I'm earning on all the 50 levels in this account, as you can see here. And so there was a withdraw button here, but now it is gone because the auto withdrawals are enabled. So within 4 hours another payment will be sent to the wallets, as long as it is over 200 TRX. So guys, that's it. And this thing earns in 3 ways. When a member upgrades, 57 people get paid, and when another member also tries to do a reinvestment, this is the reinvestment tab here, as you can see, also 57 people get paid. And when new signups come in, also 57 people get in. So you get earnings when you don't even know where they're coming from. And so far I have this. So if I'm to check my wallet here, I can see that I got a payment of 192 when I was not even aware of that. So for those of you who want to know more about this, I'm going to leave the review video about it in the description of the video. You can watch it, and if it's for you, you can join it. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.